This is going to be another Knobby Brief Trunks opening thing. So see what I got this month. So these are called Booty Hunt. So there's the front, like a pirate skeleton and parrot on the front, and a mermaid on the back. So, as always, like, subscribe, leave in the comments what you want to see me look at in the future. If you want to see me do anything special with this channel, let me know. Yeah, like I said, always leave comments, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. The account is kind of a weird name. Just hit me up in the comments for it. I'll give it to you if you can't find it. But it's basically, I think the name should be Tom's Underwear Drawer, all one word. So yeah, just look for that. Yeah, thanks.